So the definition of a flaky test is basically a test that both passes and fails periodically without any code changes. And that means that neither the code of the test changes or the code of the application. So you're using the same environment, you're doing 2 runs, and in one run the test fails, and in the next run, a little bit time after, the test passes. So, and this behavior, it's what we call flaky. But and that behavior is really causing an uncertainty about the results. So we are not sure if we are breaking something or it's just a flaky behavior. But my question here and for you is, why were we so fast into sticking the flaky tag into testing? Because I don't remember to see any flaky applications or flaky environments. Because when flakiness happens on those two different applications or environments, we don't call them flaky, we solve it, right? So why were we so fast in gluing this flaky to testing? And that is why I'm here. And I don't believe that the tests or the automated checks, because at the end of the day, what we're talking about is automated checks, not really manual testing, because manual testing is not flaky. We are doing actions, scripted actions.